Hey everyone, today I received my first ever order of clothes for myself from online. I got them from Kohl's. I'm gonna turn you around and show you what I picked up. We picked it up from Kohl's. Yeah, all three pieces were supposed to ship together, so now we're gonna see if they did. I had to do it with both hands, but I finally got it. Right. Pull this open and let's see. So, to start with, there's a $60 gift card for trying HelloFresh. Ooh, $20 off your first 3 deliveries, plus free shipping. I may be tempted to do that. I haven't tried that yet. I may look into it. Okay, so here we are. They're kind of just like in here, aren't they? Alright, so let's start with this piece. This is a swim shirt that I bought for myself to go with my swim bottoms that I already had. I prefer swim tops over like normal swimsuits, so I picked this out for me. This looks very colorful, and I'll go back and look online to see exactly what they look like whenever I want to pick them out. And also I did not pay $33. Everything I bought was on sale, plus the Kohl's cashback, or plus the Kohl's gift card, plus the Kohl's cash that I had. So there's the first piece. So that's a swim top right there. I'll pull them out of plastic in a minute and show you. Let's see. This was, oh, this is a sleep gown that I also picked out, because the two things that I needed was I needed swim tops for swimming for this summer and for vacations and things. But yeah, I needed swim tops, so, and I also needed pajamas, because like I said, I don't hardly ever buy clothes for myself, and I needed something to sleep in. So this one is actually like a gown shirt thing to sleep in. I'll pull that out in a minute. And then this last one is supposed to be a 3-piece set. Okay, I really like that. Sorry, I was just sidetracked. But when I picked this pattern out online, I wasn't 100% sure about that, but I really like that color. It's a little bit thinner than I thought it was going to be, but that's actually okay. But it came with a sleep shirt, shorts, and the pants. I figured I could pair the shorts up with another shirt, and then that would give me 2 pairs of pajamas just out of this pack. And then this one will also give me a 3rd pair of pajamas. Because, I don't know, are y'all like this? I just think that if I'm showering every night before bed anyways, it doesn't matter if, like, I need a fresh pair of pajamas, like, every single night. Especially on vacation, so I usually pack, like, for a whole week, I'll pack 2 or 3. But for, like, one weekend, I'm only going to pack 1. So, but yeah, so that's what these look like. Alright, so now, let me put you down for a minute. And I'm going to get these out of the plastic and see what they look like. Here is the swim top completely unfolded. And yes, it's black, but my swim bottom is actually black. So that's what I was going for. And the, I don't know if you've seen it yet, but I'll link it up here. And I also picked out a swim skirt for myself for like times where I'm going to be out all day and I like somewhere like a park where it's going to be really wet all day. I've got a skirt, and these leaves here should match that other skirt as well. That's why I picked that out. And I'll also try these on in just a minute. That's what it looks like unpacked. Here is the sleep shirt completely unpacked, and I think the reason I got it on discount is because it was technically Valentine's Day, but I didn't care because I just thought the heart looked cute on it. I love how it has the little cutout right here on the back. But this is, and it's already like super soft. Like, it feels softer than like even a t-shirt to me. Feels super stretchy, and I think, doesn't it have a pocket? I thought it had a pocket. I'm gonna check this over. I'm pretty sure this had a pocket. And my girls are tired. Haha, yes, it does have a pocket. That's awesome. Oh wait, it has a pocket on both sides. That's awesome. Yes, I know it's like sleepwear for some people. You don't need pockets, but oh no, there are times that like when we're traveling and I am wearing sleepwear around somewhere that I also need a flashlight. So it's nice to have pockets because then I can put the flashlight in the pockets if I need to. So I know I said I was going to show it out of the plastic, but I wanted to show this. I love that it's not a plastic zipped or, you know, plastic tie. It's actually elastic and metal. So it's not, you know, plastic affecting the environment and all that. And so I really am happy with that. Now there is plastic here though, but those are big enough that they can be recycled with the rest of this plastic. So here is the 3-piece set, and I'm just going to put that with recyclables for now. Alright, here is the shirt. you know what? I'm gonna have to remove this sticker. So here's the shirt by itself. Let's lay this out. It's actually a decent sized shirt. Like I was thinking it was gonna be way fitted, but actually it looks like it's gonna be like a little bit bigger, which I'm okay with. And I actually bought these a size bigger than what I had in shirts currently right now because I was unsure what to buy for myself. So instead of getting larges like I normally get, I got extra large. I love how this band here is gonna match the rest of the pajamas. And it is a V-neck because I hate having things like right on my neck when I'm sleeping. So I prefer V-necks when I sleep. And this is the shorts. The shorts do not match the pants. And for some reason I was thinking they were going to, and I thought maybe the picture showed that they were, but I could be wrong. These actually look like they're gonna be way too big for me, but I can always pull these in. And I'm also like giving room for like if they shrink. And here are the pajama pants. Come on, oh, there's a piece of cardboard in there, so I'll just do it this way. It looks like it has like a scrubs top tie to it here at the top to put these on, which is good because again, I bought these too big. But also with pajamas, I would rather have that extra room anyways, because I hate things really tight on me while I'm sleeping. And there's the sticker. So there they are. So I'm not going to try the sleepwear on camera because that feels weird to me. But I will try this swim top on, and then I will show you what it looks like. Okay, so here's the swim top on me. The sleeves are a little bit longer than I thought they were going to be, but I can always pull those up if I need to. And I really like this. It's really comfortable. It's not like super scratchy. I've seen swim shirts that were scratchy. This one's actually not. And yes, I wore it I just put it on over the shirt or the skirt I was wearing today. But I think it looks super comfortable. I thought that was torn for a minute. It's just fuzz. But yeah, I like it. What do you think, hon?
I like it.
Sorry, it's like the end of the day, so my hair is kind of like, ah. So quick recap. I am super happy with the purchase that we made. I'm very happy with the way everything fit, the way everything looked, compared to the way it was supposed to look in the magazine or the online to the way they arrived in the house, everything. And yeah, so I was overall pretty happy with everything. I'm very much a Kohl's fan when it comes to the clothing, bedding, and things like that. So that's for me personally. For the girls, I still like the Wonder Nation from Walmart. So comments below, what is your go-to brand when it comes to picking out clothing for yourself or for your family members? Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.